How to organize videos in your gallery. Hi, I'm Paulo Cesar, a support specialist at JMV Technology. Today, I'll show you how to efficiently organize your videos in your gallery using our video hosting system. Let's get started. Organizing your videos is essential for making it easier to access and manage your content. By using clear titles, well-defined folders, and appropriate tags, you ensure that your audience can quickly find what they need and that you have a clear overview of your entire video collection. But before we dive into the details of how to do this, let's briefly discuss video hosting. Video hosting is a service that allows you to store, organize, and share videos on the internet. It's an ideal solution for those who want to ensure that their videos are always available and in high quality for their target audience. There are several advantages to using a video hosting service, such as secure storage, high-quality streaming, easy sharing, analytics and reporting, and scalability. Now I'm going to show you how you can organize your videos in our gallery. First, let's access the video hosting service and then click on the Galleries button. To get started, always give your videos clear and descriptive titles. This makes it easier to search for and identify the content. Create folders to organize your videos by category, date, or any other classification that makes sense to you. Add relevant tags to your videos. Tags help with internal search and categorization of the content. With our video hosting service, you have several advantages. You can embed your videos directly on your website and use shareable individual links for each video. You can even add tags to your videos so that they become visible on JMV Flicks, which is a curated video gallery that can be easily shared with your viewers. All of this is done using the organization structure you've set up in your gallery. Remember, organizing your folders is for your own management purposes, and it's very important to always be aware of the index space being used. That's how you can efficiently organize your videos in the JMV Technology Gallery. If you're not a customer yet, take this opportunity to sign up for our video hosting plan and discover all the advantages we offer. Simply scan the QR code on the screen to learn more. See you next time.